You may have recently noticed a scraping sound on your brakes at the front. This could be caused by a loose backplate like this. It can be easily repaired, firstly by removing the front caliper and the front brake pads. Then, if you remove the brake carrier and the brake disc, you will be able to see the backplate. On this car, a Mini, we can clearly see that the backplate has corroded through so that the backplate is loose. You could replace the backplate, or alternatively you could do a quick repair, which I will show you here. So all I've done here is used some repair washers and used them to retain the backplate. Admittedly, it doesn't look great, but does the job very well. You can now see there's no chance of the backplate scraping on the brake disc anymore. So, has this happened to you? Are you having or have you had to make a repair like this? Why not leave us a comment below? This has been How to Fix It. Why not give us a like and hit that subscribe button and check out these other useful how-to videos.